Hey friends, it's Amy Dove, the Keto Queen. I hope you're having a great day. I sure am. I'm in the big state of Dallas, Texas, guys. Do you know how big Texas is? Texas is humongous. And I'm here with a bunch of my friends from my company, Prove It. You guys know I love Prove It because they have truly changed my life. Physically, moving from a size 12 to a 4-6, maintaining, guys, 6 solid years. Mentally, giving me all the mindset and coaching that I need to conquer all of my goals in life. I love this company. Guys, right now, I'm looking for people to join me. I'm looking for new team members. I love my team that I have now, and I'm looking for new people to fill the seats. Guys, I'm looking for someone who actually wants to create change in their physical health and their family's financial future. If you're looking for something to do that's fun and that's on the side or full-time for you, then I want to invite you. Right now, it costs $1 to join me in my business of sharing ketones. Guys, if you want to know what that looks like, I would love for you in the comments to say biz, B-I-Z, so I can just send you some quick information about what it looks like. I know you've been following me for a long, long time, and you know I love people. I love to help people, and I love to see change in families. Guys, if that's you, if that sounds like you, if you're looking for purpose, you're looking for something to bring extra income to your family, to create security, to create fun, to create excitement, to do things for your kids that you never were able to do before. That's what I love about the income I've created in my family. We've done all kinds of new things that we never would have done before me finding Prove It. Guys, you are here and you're here for a purpose. Whether that is to change your health or to change your family forever, I want to help you. So guys, if you're interested in knowing what it looks like to join me here, I would love to bring some of you with me next time. Just say biz, B-I-Z in the comments. I'm going to introduce you really quick to my friend Christina. We've been working together for 6 years because I've been a part of this company for 6 years. Christina's been here a little longer than me, and I would love for you just to hear a little bit about her story, about maybe how you come across this business and what it's done for your family and for you personally.
Wonderful. Hi, everyone. My name is Christina Martinez-Williams. I am so excited to be here with Amy, and it's so great that we get to do this together. When she's talking about people that she loves her team, she really loves her team, and we get to do this together and not only help other people become better, but we get to become better at the same time that we help other people get better, and better in all the ways. So when I got started with the business, I was living paycheck to paycheck, and we were stuck financially. Every time that something happened, the car broke down, that happened a lot. We had to pay for that out of our savings that we had built up, and then we were out of our savings again. So we had to build our savings back up, and we kept getting in this cycle of not getting out and getting forward. We didn't have anything extra for our needs. We had our needs. We didn't have anything for our wants. And we weren't traveling unless my family made it possible, and we wanted to travel. I wanted to travel the world with my daughters. So my very first goal with Prove It was to earn enough money to pay for their passports, because I didn't have money extra to get passports, but I wanted to travel the world with them, and I couldn't do it without that. So with this business, not only have I been able to make that financial difference for my family, where now we have what we want, not everything we want yet, it's coming, but we have more of what we want, and we can travel regularly. I world school my girls, we travel every 3 months for a month at a time. And I get to build amazing communities all across the world. I get to foster relationships and develop leaders and build these diverse communities both at home and around the world, where we create a norm that is of health and abundance and love. And that's what gets to rule, rather than all the negativity that's out there, rather than unhealth, metabolic dysfunction that is the norm. That's not how we get to live. We get to live something different, and we're creating that lifestyle. And not only that, like Amy said, I'm a different person because of being here. So I used to need others to see me, and now I get to celebrate myself and then inspire and empower others to be able to step into their passions and greatness. And that's what we're about. That's what we always get to do. And it's something that brings us a lot of joy and fulfillment. And that, on top of the finances, on top of the community that we get to do, the fun that we get to have with each other, the experiences, we're building a life that we're proud of and that we're leaving behind us as a legacy for our kids, for our grandkids, and for everyone else. So definitely put biz in the comments for if you're interested, because you will be supported, you will be seen, you will be coached, and you will get to be a part of something that's amazingly huge. And it's huge, and you're gonna change people's lives, including your own.
Yes.
So
it was so funny because Christina and I met years ago. I really need to look back at these. We met years ago because someone told Christina, like, you need to go to this event. You need to meet Amy Dove. Y'all are going to connect. And I'm so thankful that happened because Christina has truly helped me overcome things that were holding me back, and just kind of forge through goals that I wanted to set, but I was scared to set. Like, I don't know about you guys, but there are things in my life that I'm very fulfilled. I was fulfilled. I was very happy. I have a great family. I had a great job. I mean, I didn't really want for things. So it wasn't about that. But I still wanted to set goals for myself. Like, I wanted to do things all by myself, not just my family. Like, I wanted a purpose for me, Amy Dove. And Christina is the one who I got to meet who said, if that's really what you want, like, let's make it happen. Like, how are we going to do that? What is your goal? She would push me. What's your goal? How are you going to do it? When are you going to talk to your family? When are you going to do this? When are you going to do that? And that's what I love about the community, what I have here with Prove It. Guys, if you need someone to help coach you along, to create those goals for yourself and your family, for your purpose, then we would love to help you. Say biz in the comments. As far as financial gain, I've had a lot of great time over the 6 years. I got to celebrate my husband's 50th birthday, taking my family to St. Lucia by Prove It. Prove It actually helped me pay for that trip. I got to take my daughter wedding shopping for venues and dresses and all the things because we paid for my daughter's wedding in cash, no debt. Like, we just have truly enjoyed what we get to do, impacting the world. And because I'm open to that, I told God I was open to that, put people in my path who need this, then I've been rewarded. And I've been rewarded in so many ways, not just financial. So guys, if you are looking for a side hustle, you're looking for a full-time income, maybe you're an at-home mom, maybe you're somebody who's just tired of working the 9 to 5 and you just want something extra, something different. Maybe you are someone who is in the boat like Christina was, who's living paycheck to paycheck, just never really get further than what you absolutely have to have. Then Say Biz, we'd love to talk to you. If you're interested in joining our team and just seeing what it looks like to be a part of it, just Say Biz. I've got a short little video I would love to send you that kind of tells you what we're all about. So guys, Say Biz, and I'll talk to you soon. Oh, there's my mom. My mom just jumped on. All right, guys, we've got 1 minute. We told our team we're meeting downstairs, so I've got to get off here and get to hustling down the elevators. Y'all have a great day. If I can help you in any way, just let me know, and we will be catching up later. We've got a lot of amazing things happening right here in Dallas, Texas. We've got a huge event we're fixing to go to. We've got great news that's going to be coming soon. Something new, something innovative, something that's going to blow this world apart. If you guys want to be a part of it, Say Biz. I would love to teach you all about it. Say Biz for info, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.